Are you ready to take your 3D printing business to the next level? In today's lesson, we're going to dive deep into identifying your target market and finding your unique niche. This is a critical step that can make or break your 3D printing venture, so pay close attention. As an aspiring 3D printing entrepreneur, one of the most important things you need to do is understand your target audience. Who are the people that are most likely to buy your 3D printed products or services? Defining your target market is essential for crafting effective marketing strategies, pricing your offerings competitively, and ultimately, growing a successful business. To identify your target market, start by considering factors like demographics, geographic location, interests, pain points, and buying behaviors. For example, are you targeting hobbyists who want custom 3D printed figurines? Or maybe you're focused on small businesses that need 3D printed prototypes and manufacturing solutions. Get as specific as possible when defining your ideal customer. Once you've clearly defined your target market, it's time to find your unique niche. What special products or services can you offer that sets you apart from the competition? Maybe you specialize in 3D printed medical devices, or you've developed a new 3D printing technique for creating lightweight, durable parts. Carving out your niche will help you stand out in a crowded market. Case study example: let's look at a real-world example to illustrate this concept. Take the case of 3D printed jewelry, a company that identified their target market as fashion-conscious millennials who want unique, customizable jewelry pieces. By focusing on this niche, they were able to develop a product line of 3D printed rings, necklaces, and earrings that resonated with their target audience and grew their business rapidly. Are you ready to start defining your target market and finding your 3D printing niche? Stay tuned for our next lesson, where we'll dive into building an effective marketing strategy to reach your ideal customers. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of the valuable insights we have in store for you. In the meantime, be sure to check out our selection of 3D printers and accessories in the description below. We've handpicked the best tools to help you bring your 3D printing business to life.